All right, wait. All right.
Wait, how does he?
All right. Lift
You got
up.
to count. Hold on.
Ashton already got cookies in it.
Lift up.
Be quiet, bro.
Let's see what you got.
Mine got cookies. I got nothing. Mine got 2 cookies. Mine has 0 cookies.
Where you going?
What's mine? Thank you. I think you made a mistake. You gave Ashton 2, me 0, and 0.
Well, that was very kind of Ashton.
We all get one? Can we eat it?
Go ahead.
Yes. Well, these are. Oh, these are.
Lean over the plate, bro.
They're good. They taste like normal cookies.
Do them.
They taste like normal Oreos. Yeah, crunchy.
Finding all the blocks and you putting them up in the block thing and the magnets and the magnet thing, okay? But all the other toys put in the bin, the basket, okay? It is cold down here.
No, it's not. Don't be soft. Y'all soft. Don't be soft. So, it's spring break week for the children. Yesterday we was hanging with Ray's family, siblings, and today we're cleaning up the basement. The kids got stuff everywhere.
Babe,
Yeah,
is this these giveaway clothes?
those are clothes that Nyla gave to Parker.
I just want to throw all the toys away.
Yeah, Jackson doesn't play with toys anymore. Apparently he's a big boy now. All he wants to play with is his Nintendo Switch. So, it's not terrible,
Kids,
but...
look. Good job, Ashton. He started. Start the toys that y'all don't want. Look, put those. No, yeah, take all this stuff out of here, Ashton, and put it in the basket over there, okay? And then the stuff that y'all don't want, put it in here. If it's garbage,
How about that thing under the little pool table?
that thing?
Yeah, so they can put the stuff in there and we can just throw that whole thing away.
We gotta keep this.
Okay. Yeah, this. I'm sorry. Look, this is the garbage one, okay?
Okay, and all the
Parker.
This don't hold nothing. That's why.
we should just take this out off.
Put it on the inside of
We
it.
can't throw this thing away. Throw the whole thing away. So we can put all the things.
Parker, go clean up.
Look, Ashton
Garbage.
and Parker. This. Put all the garbage. Wait. Put all the garbage in here. Look at this. Yeah, put all the garbage in here.
Daddy, you gotta
Don't throw nobody else stuff.
Oh, you know
Ask
what?
them when they want it from.
I'll come back when it's quiet to show y'all my plan for
Garbage.
this wall.
Want what?
Ashton has his little cleaning set ready to go. And then we also have this side of the basement. Laundry room is in there.
Parker, don't do that. Put the blocks where they're supposed to go. It's toys all over here, okay? So come, y'all got a lot of
Is
ground
that
to
facing
cover.
me?
Yeah.
Guess what, guys? I made this. I wish mommy put up a video of me making this.
I don't have a video of you making it.
I wish.
Keyword.
Yeah, he got a Lego set for his birthday. That's what he made. It's a Lego car.
Yeah, that's what I like. It works my brain. I don't like it works my brain.
So we're done cleaning. We swept. We did not mop. Ray may or may not do that sometime this week. But so this is where the entertainment center will be. So I was thinking about having a built-in. Over here we have a connection for a connection for water. What's it called? A wet bar. So a sink over here somewhere. And then over here I would like a desk. So built-ins all the way across the bottom, or shelves, not shelves, cabinets all the way across the bottom up until about here somewhere, and then like a desk here, but all connected. And then up top I would like open shelves. Over here would be bar stuff, and over here would just be probably more so for decor. I have found pictures on Pinterest, so I will pop some of those up on the screen, hopefully, if I know how to do that. But yeah, that's kind of the plan for now. We still don't know what we're gonna do over here in this space or in the space on the other side of the steps. But I think for sure we want, Ray said he gonna call them people tomorrow.
What time is it right now?
Um,
Call them right now. Let me see. It's 3:40. I can call them right now.
yeah, he gonna call the people that did our kitchen cabinets at the old house, yeah. And then hopefully they can do this and do our pantry as well. Do some shelving in the pantry as well. So I'm making some Crunch Wrap Supremes for dinner today for Ray and the kids. So I just wanted to show you real quick. One extra grande, extra large burrito shell, flour shell. They love these. I hate making them. It's too much work. Maybe some cheese. Let's do some cheese on the bottom. I feel like this one. No, I don't feel like this one. I don't know. Some cheese. There with it. Some brown turkey. However much meat. Okay. A tostada shell. Actually, I think this is a good place for some shredded cheese so that it can melt a little. Not too much. There's already some cheese on there. Throw a shell on. Oh, you know what? I think I was putting a salsa down there too. You do whatever order you want to do it in. Whatever makes your heart happy. Smush that down. I'm going to throw some sour cream. For mine, I will put Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. For some added protein. Some guacamole. You know what? I think cheese is supposed to go on top to kind of help melt and close it up. Maybe I'll do it upside down next time. Get the eye going. I'm gonna do the next one different. A little bit more cheese. It kind of helps seal the top. Hopefully y'all can see this. And then you just fold. Fold. Hopefully I can get this motherfucker. Oh, yep, it's gonna close. This is a good one. Perfect. And I'm gonna just throw it on the griddle. And start on the next one. I'm gonna do this one different. I'm gonna do my lettuce, my cold stuff on the bottom this time. You know what? Hold on. Hold up. And then that way I only have to cook the side that's sealed. You can kind of have that hot and cold contrast. Right, babe?
What?
Right?
Right what?
You say left.
Right. What you talking about?
The shell. We'll throw some of this. Then I'll go meat. And I do the shredded cheese on top of this. And then close it up. That makes a little bit more sense. Sheesh. Oh, that's perfect. Nice little crunch. Baby, yours ready.
Thanks, honey. What about the children?
Yours is coming.
They're coming.
Jackson, you gonna eat a whole one?
Yeah.
Yes, honey. So this is like day 6. Most of it has come off. I'm about to jump in the shower. Okay. Day 6. Most of it is off. Still got a little bit on the toe. See the other foot. And I'm about to do a scrub. Bottom is real smooth.